Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to ISEE Hair for this wonderful wig. Let's see what's inside. Go on. Alright guys, we have a few wig caps, two different shades depending on your color. We have a bonnet, lashes. This is what they show you for the wear and go, how to use the M cap. So they're now making the wigs where you can remove the combs or add the combs and the elastic band. Now this is a wig, always secure. This company always label their wig with a red band. Every time I'm done, I know that a wig belongs to them because they have a specific label on their thing. No, me I record. I'm honest, but over here it's there. Alright guys, it's labeled. There's a band. It's telling you it's a wear and go wig. So basically gonna add this on, take it off, fix it. It's 16 inches, kinky curly. And this is the M cap. The lace is pre-bleached. These are the removable combs. They already come with some and they label their wig so you can't miss. 9x6 closure. Before we do that, we received some bundles. You guys will see me installing these in my daughter's hair. They sent some bundles as well. These are 16 inches, I believe. Yes, water wave. So you guys will see me. I think I'm gonna post this on TikTok. So stay tuned for these. Alright guys, let's get to installing this wig. Lately, I haven't been putting any braids in my hair, so I basically just do a little something like this. And I'm happy it's a curly wig, so even if there's something, you're not gonna know. This is the M cap water wig, the M cap wear and go wig, kinky curly, 9x6, pre-bleached, tiny knots, pre-cut, HD lace from ISEE Hair. I can honestly say they have wonderful, the quality of their hair, the stitching, the making of their wigs is phenomenal. I love it. I'm trying to find a pin, like a bobby pin or something. You're telling me that we cannot find any? Yeah, the quality of their wigs, oh, it's amazing. So I love to work with them. I'm excited about this short one. It's only 16 inches. So it's going to be like a bob. So basically this is how I do my wigs. And this is from them as well. I have this. I like to put it over my wigs. I think I'm going to add it on. It's also from their company. They're the only company that has ever sent me one of these. So it's from them. I'm gonna see how it looks. Why I like it is because my hair is not braided and the illusion of this is perfect. So I like to add this on before anything else. Now let's see this wear and go. I honestly like to go in on the lace because they give you a little bit of extra lace just to if it's an option, if you want it to glue down or whatever, you can do that. But we're gonna fit the wig on without and see. Snug. Snug. You know, when you have a curly wig, when you just install it, it looks crazy. But we're gonna style up this. I love the curl. It's so tight. You don't have to worry about anything. I honestly feel like I can cut the lace off on my head instead of using the mannequin. So let's try it.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, go to New York to shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime.
I'm not playing with y'all. I had to. Listen. I don't know. We didn't get any time to let this hair sit, but I did use a blow dryer. But guys, no joke. Like, let's just zoom in for a second. Needed nothing. I went ahead and I cut the front just to layer it down. This is a black queen, the true definition of a black princess. Yes, I love it. It's 16 inches. I didn't have to do much. All I did was razor cut down the hair. It's completely glueless, guys. Completely. Are you guys seeing this? You're not even seeing the lace, but this is completely glueless. All right, so everything will be in the description. I see here. Thank you so much, Kinky Curly. 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for sending this beautiful wig. Let's see. Princess, yes. Yes, M cap 9x6. You don't have to worry about nothing. All you have to do is slip the wig on. Real easy. You can do it. It's a curly wig. All you need to do is wet it up. You don't have to cut it, but I wanted that look, okay? So thank you to ISEE here for sending this beautiful wig. Everything will be in the description. Thank you so much. I love the wig. HD lace. The lace is, it's a luxury. It's giving luxe feeling and look. Like, you understand me? Nothing is needed. Nothing. Thank you so much. Let's get into the slow-mo, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again. Let's go.
Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you.